Yo, bro. Fuck. Can you hear?
No, this is where it gets interesting. Oh, you're fancy. I love how just... What's my bagel order? Well, New York City. I just drink water. Do you have an idea for a song? What's your idea?
I'm so tired. Because I have a brother and a sister. Hair got long. It's got the little fucking 2015 swag going. Hell up. Is to be true is because that happened.
Jeff, I put this ticket in there. What about... Someone suggested a McChicken.
Ariana? What does that say? I love Ariana. She's a good friend of mine. Am I dating anyone? No. It was so much fun. I love Canada. I want to make dirty love on you. Thank you for that. Adam. Sam. Turns up right now. Sir, are you humble? Oh my god. She put out in 2018. I heard she made that whole song on... Do you want kids? Yeah, but not now. And like sunsets. It's like... Who inspires me when it comes to music? People inspire me because people. So my voice was like, I used to sing like this. And there's just so many cars beeping, and I literally kept just like doing something. It sounded weird, but. I'm submit.
It's nice. 7 instruments. I tried sheep. Okay. Will I ever do this? Yeah, I'll do this. Nobody on the run. Nobody on the beach. Greatness. He's so talented. Oh, in Brazil. I went to Brazil and went straight to, like, when I see my Spanish teacher in person. The dog sneezed like... Oh, it's coming.
Happy birthday, Lexi. Yeah. Welcome to my OnlyFans account. Blackpink. I love BTS. I love K-pop.